Great are you, Lord, and greatly to be praised. Hi guys, it's your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring you the strawberry center filled cake because Christmas is approaching. So let's go. So in a bowl I have my melted butter. So I add my sugar and we are gonna whisk this so it's a smooth and fluffy. Please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out. Okay, so here we are. So at this point we are gonna add some eggs one by one. Okay, don't worry if you don't have a cake mixer, you can always use a whisk. Okay, so now we're gonna add some milk. It can be evaporated milk, it can be fresh milk, depending on what you have available. We all know Christmas is approaching. We're gonna learn how to make different types of cake. Okay, so we set our wet ingredients aside, then we are mixing our dry ingredients. So I add some flour, some baking powder, some baking soda, some salt to taste, and vanilla powder. So we mix this and then we are gonna add this to our wet ingredients bits by bits. Okay, so after adding, I'll use my spatula to do the mixing. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord and it is so marvelous in our eyes. God bless you, family. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Now our cake batter is ready, so I'm gonna grease my cake pan with some butter and some flour. So as you can see, I am filling the center with my delicious strawberry jam. This was requested by my little girl, baby Sika. So after about 20 to 30 minutes, voila, here we are. Our strawberry center filled cake is ready. Just look at how beautiful, how delicious and mouth-watering it is. Trust me, it is healthy and my cake was very rich. Just look at that. The family, they were asking for more. Just follow this step-by-step recipe and your family, they are gonna enjoy this festive season. Don't wait till it is Christmas before you learn how to make cake. Let's learn it now. Thank you guys as we enjoy our delicious strawberry center filled cake just like this. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment, and please subscribe so we grow together. Okay, just look at that. A corner, mouth-watering, eye-catching. See ya in our next video, family. Bye bye.